What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I got some parts for the 230 that I'm going to be installing. I also have more. These are just a few of them. But here we have the big gun rev box. We have a new kill switch because mine's broken. Some handlebar risers. And a brake reservoir cap. So just a few little things here. Let me get these installed and then we'll go from there. Show you guys what it looks like. I also got a Tusk gas cap. Looks pretty nice. I'll show you what it looks like when it's on. Okay, so we're going to do the brake reservoir cap first, just because it's the easiest thing. There's the old stock one, this one. Go on it. Just those two screws there. And I do need some brake fluid, but I don't think I have any .4. So, as you can see, it's pretty low. But we'll do that another day. That's all it is. Out with the old and with the new. Alright, I tightened those down. It looks a lot better. Just a little appearance mods here. Definitely goes with the gas cap. Alright, next we're doing the Cdi Box. It's just under the number plate. You can kind of see it down there. So all we have to do is take off that bolt and the two up under the fender. And then it's just plug and play, really. You just gotta plug those two in. So I'm gonna do that next and then pick it up after that. Alright, there we go. Just that one bolt and then those two down there. And here's the Cdi box. I don't really know how it's in here. So it looks like it just slides out, kinda. Oh, it's just like a little holder. Alright. So I'm gonna get this taken out and then plug the other one in, get it in there, and then we should be set. Okay, so I finally got it. It just slides out of here, but these plugs are kind of hard to get off without breaking, so just be careful with that. But out with the old, now we gotta throw in the new one. Here's just a little size comparison. This thing's actually, I hope it's the right one. It's a lot smaller. I mean, it does say what it's all good for. Oh no, I won't focus. But yep, let's throw this one in now and then see what happens, I guess. Alright, I didn't get the kill switch on yet, but I'll do that probably later on today. But everything else is good. Handlebar razor is good. This set's a lot better. Cdi Box. It's in there good. I put a zip tie on it just in case, because it is smaller than the original one. So I don't want it to fall out. How it was stock, it definitely was pretty annoying because I had to lean forward, but now it's like perfect. The Cdi Box too, that thing works great. You can definitely tell a difference in the power. It pops it up a lot easier now. Yeah, runs good. I still need to put that kill switch on. Then I got a few other things I need to put on, but it's definitely getting there. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this for. I'd say probably till September, the end of September, October-ish, I don't know. We'll see what happens, but yeah, sorry about the garage, don't mind that. It's a mess right now. I gotta get this Mustang out of here and clean it all. I think we're doing that this Sunday.